Yeah, so hello guys, my name is Persian and this is my first time streaming. Please forgive my mic quality if it is bad. I am not really experienced in testing these kinds of things. So yeah, without wasting any more time, I just wanted to show you what is the agenda of today and why I am streaming. I just wanted to stream to like to connect with people and to show people, not really show, to learn from people while I code, because I love coding, but I am still a beginner, so I would love and appreciate any help I get. So I was in the process of learning AI agents, and I decided to build a project using them. So as a college student, I during my preparations for my exam, it is a really hard to collect all the information, relevant quizzes and reference links to get prepared basically. So I was thinking of creating a software, a web app where you can upload your PDFs and it is passed to an AI agent, and it can give you quizzes, reference links, flashcards, etc., which can really speed up your preparation during exams. Basically, it is kind of like an AI tutor for the preparation. Yeah. So yeah, this is the framework I was thinking. Like, I already built the front end, like using vibe coding. I don't like building web front ends, especially in React. Uh, like you can see this. If I go to my front end, oh sorry, npm run dev. So you can see it has started. Like, you can upload your PDFs and all, and generate flashcard quizzes, etc. I was for later implementation. You can basically there is a progress tracker, but right now it doesn't work. It is just a placeholder. Uh, you can also get a suggested resources, and there is also an AI tutor for you. Like, you can ask your doubts with it related to the content. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. I was thinking of using Google's wait. uh, yeah, the using Google's ADK to develop these AI agents. I just read a little bit about them and saw the docs, and it looked pretty easy. So yeah, first I was thinking, whatever query which is received from the front end is sent to the manager AI agent. Slash the root agent, from which it can decide where it wants to send the query to multiple specialized AI agents to achieve the task which is asked by the user. short quizzes. What the fuck? Reference links. Chat. What was I thinking? There was another thing that I was thinking. Where is it? Flashcard quizzes, suggested resources, reference links, chat. Okay. Sorry, I am kind of sleepy. Forgive me. Okay. So let's get started and go to the document. I think here was the document. Yeah, I already installed Google's ADK. You know, the best part about Google ADK is I don't have to build a separate what do you call it, fast API server. It can handle that thing for me, like, easily. So let's do it. Okay, so it says for this I'll delete it first of all. I already tried it, but I'll make a file called wait. First, let me start my environmental virtual environment. And install all the necessary things which is listed here. Yeah, it's done. I'll delete this. We don't need this. So yeah, let's get started. It says first I have to make a parent folder. I'll do that. I did it. Okay. Okay, now I have created the basic AI agent according to them. I just have to create an environmental variable. So I'll just paste it. Dot env. Now I'll pause the stream for a while, for a bit, just to get my environmental key, and I don't want to share it to the world. Can you bear with me for a sec? Where is it? How do you go? How do you pause the stream? Not. I don't want to end stream. Start break. I guess that is it. Give me like 3 minutes, and I'll figure it out. How do you? I think it hasn't paused the stream. Okay. Let's see. Google's Gemini API key. Yeah, I have done it. Like, I've created the environment and all, and I've created the basic AI agent according to them. So I think that this should be enough for now. After that, I'll just change the AI agents and create more AI agents according to my needs. So it says to run the AI agent. There are three ways: the API server, dev UI, etc., and terminal. Let's try the API server because that is the way we are actually going to use it. So I have to type ADK API and it should work. What? ADK API? So okay, this is weird. Issued ADK web. Okay, ADK is not found. So let's go back and try this again. Why? Maybe if I exit and log into the virtual environment again, maybe it will work. ADK web. Okay, it has not found the command. Is it even downloaded? Yeah, it's there. So technically it should work. ADK. Okay, I'll try again. Maybe now ADK web. Nothing. happened. Okay. So now it has been uninstalled. Maybe this should give an error now. No. Hmm. Let it load. Let it load. Okay, now it works. So whenever something is not working, you just uninstall and reinstall it. Simple as that. Let's move on. You can see I can type any message, hello, and it greets me. So the AI agent has been created. You can see the events. Okay. Yeah. Let's say get the weather in New York. Okay. Okay, that's how the flow works. Yeah. So this is an AI agent, but this is what we don't want. Like we want something else. So let me go to the tutorials and see the next steps. Oh yeah, before doing anything else, this is the ADK web. I wanted to run this in, I don't know, the API server, backend server. ADK. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it has started. This is good. There's a very good thing about running this in API servers, because we don't have to worry about creating and managing our own sessions and runners. It does that automatically, which is very nice in my opinion. So yeah, I think this is the next step. Yeah, this is definitely the next step, because you can see the amount of steps there are. So yeah, let's start. This is not necessary at all. We have already done these. Yeah, we have to define tools. So what is the first thing we want to build? A manager agent. uh, okay, I want a concise summary of the agent overall purpose and a detailed guidance for the LLM for how it should behave. Root agent and do you assist and manager. Also content. Okay, this is enough. Let's do it like make it more verbose using ChatGPT because I can't be asked right now to think. I'm sorry. I know I suck. Um, ठीक है, the root agent has been declared. Let's start with the summarizer because that is the basic thing we need. Maybe it can summarize the things and then pass it to other AI agents for it to make quizzes on. Let's make a summarizer agent. Yeah. Okay. I also forgot to test it. Let's test it first. Yeah. So I think okay. First, I have to create a new session using the API, and then I can use it. Use the API using on the basis of a session. See, sessions are basically sessions are very simple. It's like basically, how do I say it? Acts as a room where all your conversation takes place with respect to that agent. It stores all the information about the conversation you had, and it basically protects and isolates your conversation with many other conversations it might be having with many other different users or with the same user as well. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, it says the session has been created using like with the app name, this user ID, this state, this, and event is nowhere. ID this session ID is this. These three things are important. Where we will store it in a front end. Okay, and it also shows the session has been created. I just want to know. Okay, we specified the name of the session, so this is nice. It's up to us to specify the name of the session, so we have to basically randomize it every time. Okay, I understand. Secondly, okay, now it should give me the answer to this question. Okay, now एक मिनट, do I have to name the okay, wait, do I have to name this the same as my file? Let's see. I don't know, I've already changed a lot of it. So let's do one thing. Forget about it. Forget about testing. We will figure it out at the end. So today's agenda is to create a summarizer agent. That's it. Okay. I think this is nah. Let's go back to ChatGPT and continue our work. Okay. ये सभी के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. Why am I feeling very sleepy? Okay, what? Let's do a basic one first, and we'll go from there and see how it respond. Okay, I think that is enough. That's it. ADK web. Let's see if it does anything wrong, and it doesn't do anything wrong, which is good. And let's change the name of this file to assistant agents. Okay. Okay, let's start the server. Here is the agent. Okay, this let's put anything from Wikipedia. Oh no, maybe this this is already summarized, but okay, we will see what happens. It says 3 validation errors occur for LLM agent. What do you mean by that? Maybe the fuck off. Okay, it's not a tool. Maybe that's why it's showing. There was a way to pass agents. Let me see if I can find it. sub agents. Yeah. Um, yeah, I was here. A simple prompt. Now it works. See, we can see the events. Okay, so finally it works. I also saw one more thing which are called loop agents. So it allows it to think again and again and again to make better decisions. Let me see if I can find it. Yes, search. Wait. Okay, this is like the inner. And this is not a necessary right now. Loop agents. How do I do this? Let's see if it works. I want to see what it does. Oh, okay, I forgot to import it. Sorry. Okay, 8 minutes. Did I fuck up? Okay. May I forgot. I forgot to do one thing important. Hey, it's fun. वैसे. Wait, let me see what happened. So it became a loop agent, summarizing itself again and again, again and again. Okay, so basically, this is not what we want, but I have to see the answer first, and we'll start again. How did I put the max iteration? Ad nauseum. Max iteration 5. So I'll do that. I might have burned through my API calls of Force Gemini, but okay, what the fuck, right? Let's see if it works. Please work. Wait, I have an idea. Maybe this will work. Let me fuck around and find out. Maybe let's fuck around and find out. ओके यहाँ पे एक मैनेजर एजेंट है और एक वो है ओह fuck me, this is Fuck me. Have to start the server again. This is ass. Let's play with it a little. Loop agent is a workflow agent that executes sub-agents in a loop iteratively. It repeatedly runs a sequence of agents for a specific. Okay, you want to build an agent that can generate. Okay. तो basically वो step one कर लिया. Okay, what is this output key? Critic, then refiner. What about writer? अच्छा एक ने write कर दिया, one wrote and then the others just refine. So okay, okay, ठीक है, makes sense, makes sense. um, so basically I also want a refinement agent, not a manager agent. Manager agent काम delegate कर रहा है, उसके बाद refinement के लिए वो भेजेगा. But this is what we were striving for. But I think I'll take that tomorrow. For now, this is it. Thank you for joining me. I know it might be a very boring stream, but this is my first time doing it, so hopefully you can forgive me for that. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to peace out now. Bye. I'm kinda tired. I don't know, I know I didn't do much, but I still learned a lot of things.